Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this lecture, I would like to explain some more commands which is related to the AutoCAD. So already in the last lecture, I explained very clearly what is the line command, polyline, and what is the difference between them and how it works on the AutoCAD. Now in this lecture, I will explain related to this circle. So if you want to draw the circle, so in the command box, what you have to do means just enter C. C in the sense circle. If you enter C directly, you will get here circle. So if you know the command directly, you move with C enter. Then what happens? See here, circle specifies center point for circle or 3 point, 2 point means there will be one circle command highlighted here if you draw based on the center point like this. And again, if you observe very clearly, see enter, what happens, there will be some more points like 3 point, 2 point. Here also if you observe in the drop down of that circle, so there will be so many commands. So the circle related to center based on the radius, center based on the diameter, center based on the 2 point, 3 point, tan radius, tan. So if you see one by one very clearly, either you can choose from here or else from the ribbon directly. So you can come from the first one, so that is center. So already I drawn here directly from the center point for circle. Once again you click this one, center, so which is the circle in the drop down, first one center radius. See how it works. First you click somewhere in the center, and again it will works based on the radius. So you can give any radius to draw a circle. For example, here I will give some uh, particular unit of some 10 like that. So based on the radius 10, a circle will drawn here. So like that, you can choose the first circle. If you want to draw based on the diameter, see you click this one center, and again click center. See here, it will comes based on the diameter. If you give 10, what happens? So the radius will be 5. So which comes on the short term with respect to this one. If you want the same circle with the same diameter, what you want to do? Again, the center diameter, click here, and again what you have to do, based on the diameter, radius here you given 10. If you want given 20, this size will drawn here. Means based on the diameter, the circle will drawn here. Based on the this first one, based on the radius, this circle will draw. If you want to draw based on the diameter, you can choose this second option in the circle. And again, what about this 2 point? 2 point means you can draw the circle based on the 2 point. First point, and again somewhere at the second point. Like that, you can draw the circle somewhere at the 2 points. For example, if you draw a line of some particular unit, okay, then to come out of this command, already I told you, please uh, press escape on the keyboard. Then you want to draw the circle based on these 2 points. So two ends which we will meet. So click on the 2 point circle here. First point, second point. How easily it draw on the AutoCAD? By connecting with the two end points. Similarly, there will be 3 point circle. So if you want to connect 3 point circle, first you see how it works. 3 point in the sense, first point, somewhere second point, somewhere third points. Like that, the circle will draw based on the 3 point. Otherwise, if you want to see exact how it works, you draw 3 lines. Okay, like this, and again like this, any 3 lines, and try to connect these 3 lines with a circle exactly which meters the end. So this 3 point, first point, second point, third point. See here how the circle will drawn based on the 3 point. The same 3 point circle will drawn from the command box also. See enter, then choose here 3 point. If you want 2 point, you can enter directly in the command box also. Okay, 3 point, first point, second point, third point. For example, say this particular line of some 5 unit line, 10, this one will be some 4 unit, this one will be some different lengths. At that time also, it will connect the three end points to draw a circle. Like this, the circle commands will be worked in different way, like center radius, center diameter, 2 point circle, 3 point circle. And if you see tan radius, how it works, tan radius already it is showing clearly which connect the 2 points. So just click tan radius and click first one, second one, and click enter. So for with connecting with two circles means 2 points, drawing a circle here in between that one. And again, how this tan radius will work means which connect the 3 points. See here somewhere, you see how it will works. First one, I will connect this three, second one, third one. See how this tan radius will work, 3 points. Okay, so these are the different ways how you will check how the tan radius will work, how tan circle command will works, 3 point circle works. So see in different ways. For example, I will draw a line like this. Okay, so you want to draw the circle in between these three. Choose 3 point circle, one, two, and three. See here, tan how the tan will works. Okay, for example, if you draw the circle outside, connect these 3 points, tan, sorry, this one. Based on with these 3 points, you can draw very clearly. For example, you see one more thing, how it works. So I will just take three lines in the form of triangle. Click escape here. And with this 3 point circle, you can draw the, based on the 3 points, you can draw the circle. And again, you want to draw the circle inside, it is better to choose tan. How it works, you please see. First point, second point, third point. See how the circle will be exactly fitted into this triangle. So like that, the functions will be working in different way. Exactly, if you want to connect 2 point, you can choose anywhere in between 2 points. Exactly which that circle will meet. Already 3 point circle also works the same way, like that. For example, if you want to draw with this tan radius, how exactly it will touches the two circles and draw a another circle based on that particular radius. Like that, the circle commands will works in different ways. Along with that, you will know some more tools. For example, if I want to select all these items at a time, entire items at a time, what I want to do, so like in the word, I will press Control A. So Control A is for selection, not only in the MS Office like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Here also it will work. So if you want to delete all these items at a time, just press delete in the keyboard. Okay, so if you want to get back the deleted items, what you will do in the MS Office, you will press undo. That is here the symbol which is appearing, undo means reverse the most recent icons. See how it works. So in the keyboard, how it works? Control Z to get back whatever the recent deleted items in the MS Office. For example, if you want, already you people are very aware of using MS Word, I think. So Control A, delete, and again press Control plus Z. Automatically the shortcut options works here also. You please make a note whatever I am telling in the classes, then it is very easy to use the AutoCAD tools while drawing the big projects. And one more thing, for redo, what we will do, this option, and for undo, this option, like control Z. Similarly, for copying the terms, what we have to do, control C. See here, I will copy this term, I will select this one, sorry, I will select this circle. Once again, just to select this circle, what you will do, control C is for copy, control V for paste. See, you will get one icon, wherever you want you can paste. So without the shortcut, you can access this item in the ribbon directly. Just to select this one, control C, copy here, and if check here, is there any paste symbol, or else you can see here, cut option will be there, means trim and extend will be there, mirror, scale, stretch, path, array, each and every term will be there here.